Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous March sub box from Simply Gilded. The box is available now on the website if you would like to subscribe. I received mine early because I am part of the Simply Gilded customer service team, and this is a one gorgeous box. You can see the light gold foiling on it, the chinoiserie theme on it, the pinks, and look in the back. I love this. Well, Aqua says this is the season to bloom, and this is volume 29. This is one heavy box. It has a lot in it and I can't wait to share it with you, but let me take everything out. I'll share everything, but I will not share the mystery items. I will not ruin the surprise for any of you, and I will be right back. And I'm back, and here's a little menu card that you get with every box, and it shows everything that is included. And as you can tell, there's a ton. So you're getting a journaling card, washi tapes, a sticker kit, notebook, a traveler notebook, a notebook, and then a gel ink pen, a pouch, a jelly roll pen, and then acetate and vellum, and the mystery item, which I will not be sharing. But the first thing that I want to share with you is the gorgeous traveler notebook. I mean, this one is stunning. It's vegan leather. It's a B6, and on the spine here there is adorable little bow that it's engraved in gold. And Irene has already mentioned in stories, and that basically there's a little bit of like a color transfer here from the gold elastic that was used, but so all the best ones, and they were already picked to be shipped out. So mine has a couple here, but it's so faint, so nothing to worry about. And then on the inside we have this beautiful soft pink, two pockets here, then two slots, so you can insert even an additional notebook if you want. It has 4 elastics, so you can hold between 4 and 6 of your notebooks, and then even a little pen loop. It says Simply Gilded over there, and it's just so beautiful. I love this color. It's a very soothing color. I don't know, soothing is my favorite word recently, but it's such a soft, like like a creamy white color that goes with everything basically, but it will definitely go beautifully with everything that is included in this month. And the second thing that I wanted to show you was something that caught my eye right away, and is the beautiful pouch. Now we always get a pouch, almost always, with Irene's boxes, and this time it's a half moon shaped pouch with the gorgeous chinoiserie theme here, with the these beautiful peacocks, the soft pinks, the aqua, and then you have this beautiful light gold like a satin interior, and this holds a lot. And then you have a little tassel on the zipper, which you can remove. You can put it on your planner if you want to, and it's so pretty. And I know I can't, this is like scream springs to me. I can't wait to use it. And then another thing that I wanted to share right away was the journaling card, and this one is stunning. It says all the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. It's gorgeous. It's got the light gold foiling, the soft pinks, a little bit of aqua, the yellows, and this will make a beautiful dashboard, because I think that, I mean, it will be a crime not to set up a planner, the little planner that you get with these papers, because we're getting acetate and vellums. I mean, this acetate is a work of art. I just wanted to show you like the detail, how gorgeously intricate the design is. And of course with my lights it's going to be very hard to see. You're going to see the reflection of all my washi tapes, but look at the beautiful pagoda, the beautiful cherry blossoms, the birds. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And if you like the gold, you can have it on the gold. Otherwise, just flip it over. You can have it on the beautiful silver. But I think the gold looks beautiful with this kind of like color scheme. And then we have a vellum. And the vellum, again, these are already folded for you in a basic size, so you're all set. If you have a smaller planner, you can cut them down to size. You can use this to make anything, honestly. You can make cards, you can make page markers, etc. I have tons of videos on, I mean, not tons, but I have 2 videos on how to make page markers, even one with a shaker. And again, there's gold foiling little accents, the little bows, and then there's all these beautiful birds. I just love this. It's just so gorgeous. And I mean, let me bring back that little, there we go. How gorgeous is this in here? It's just stunning. And then, of course, because you're getting the papers, you're also getting an insert. And this insert is just like, has this beautiful, circle. I'm assuming it's the sun in the middle with the soft pink, the birds, and then the back is this aqua finish. It says, let your ideas take flight. And it is dotted and a beautiful weight in the paper. And again, these are stitched. So you can use it. Again, if you're not a planner, you can use it for note-taking, you can use it for list making, and, anything you want, jot down ideas. Then the next thing we get is a ton of stickers. I mean, this is a ton this month. So let me start with what is the so-called basic kit, if what we are used to receiving, then I'll show you all the additions. So Irene is always including the Luxe sticker kit, and this comes with the upside down again. This comes with 3 sheets now. It started out with basically 2 sheets, or 1 even actually, and now it's to 3. So on the first sheet, and you get in this unicorn paper, which is buttery soft, and it's the painted garden, and it has 2 rows of the days of the week, and then it has 1, 2, 3 full boxes. We have 4 of the checklist. We have some icons. We have a little more toppers, for if you want to put it on top of your boxes. This will fit the Erin Condren box, and I am in love with this one with the beautiful chinoiserie, and it has that pink bow in the middle. This one's you can actually write on, and the December box came with a microperm pen, which you can write on with it. And then we have more headers, and these are in this beautiful coral red. Again, the soft, light gold foiling. And these are more just remember, important. And then we get 7 more, we're getting 5 more full boxes. So these are just like little washi header strips. They're little strips of little bows. We're having some little deco. We're adding some little flags. I love this one, Fancy. And this one actually is one of, reminds me of one of our cards that she did before. And of course there's Fancy in the war, so I like it. And then here on the little sheet, which is, I don't know why this is maybe my favorite. It's so pretty. It's got 1 extra full box. Then we're having 4, actually 1 long one and 2 small of the little heart checklist. And then we're getting 4 of the half boxes and more of the deco. So you can make this last quite a bit. I mean, you have 2 weeks basically of stickers, to use, and it's just gorgeous. It's so springy, so perfect. Then we're getting a sheet of the bows, and I love the new format of the bows. They're coming now in this, they used to be on like a more of a glossy kind of transparent backing, and now they come in the same sticker paper, which keeps them nice and secure. And these patterns are just stunning. I don't know if you can see them. There's the aquas, there's the white with all the soft pink. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's I don't know, just a gorgeous combination. Then Irene started adding us, giving us this little heart icons, sticker sheets. So they come in they're little hearts. So it looks like there's nothing there, but if you lift them up, there we go, the hearts come out, because they are, fussy cut. So, or kiss cut. I can't remember what that's called, but anyway, they'll come off, the little hearts, and they're in this beautiful coral background. You get tons of them, and with the gold foiling, and they're super cute. So this is something that she added last month or the month before, I can't remember, but it's recent. So this month she decided to give us another new product, which is the stickers that are on this glossy clear, they're glossy clear stickers, and you can see this beautiful font. Let me lift them up. Look how pretty they are. Of course you can't see them because it's too bright, but can you see them better there? Not really, but they are super pretty. It's a beautiful print, a beautiful font. I just love them. Look how cute. It's just, I use a lot of these actually, because when I plan in my B6, I like to just add little things, and this font is so pretty, and you get so many of the basic that you always need. Work, home, and play. Like, well, we all need this, right? And then the next thing that I wanted to share with you is the pens, because we're getting two pens. We're getting the beautiful Simply Gilded pen, and this has to be one of my favorite. I've been dying to have the perfect aqua pen. You know, I've had one before that was in a similar color, but it was not nearly as pretty as this one. The gold of the little bows, I don't know if you can see it well, but this is just stunning. Again, it's a gorgeous gel ink pen, 0.5 millimeter. If you wanna, this comes with black ink, and there's also refills available on the website. And this is one of my favorite things in the whole box because I just love this color. I just love it. You know, I've been waiting to find the perfect pen in that color, so I'm super excited. And then you're getting a jelly ink pen, and this time is in gold. Last month we got it in silver, and these are so fun to use. You just add a little something to your paper. I don't know, I feel like whatever you're writing something down, and even if it's unpleasant, if you have a pretty pen to write in a pretty color, then it makes it all okay. Maybe that's just me, but then I wanted to share with you all the washi tapes, and let me put them all together because we got so many of them that I want them all arranged pretty. There we go. How gorgeous is this combination? So you're getting basically 3 of the 15 millimeters, you're getting 1 10 millimeter, and then 2 of the gold perforated ones. And I have to show you now, there's 2 that are ombre. They're ombre, and they have, there we go, like how gorgeous is that? So the color will vary because they're all different. So you may get more yellow or more pink or whatever, but it's just absolutely stunning. It's like a sorbet color almost all together. And let me show you the other one that it's also in the ombre effect, and it has this aqua with a little bit of white with a little bit of light green. Is just beautiful. I want to do a dashboard with this so bad. I can't. I just finished, you know, setting up one planner, and I want to set up another one because this is really inspiring to me. And now let me show you the other 15 millimeters. So now there is this one, which is a white background. This is basically the same pattern that you have on the vellum, but it's on a washi tape. It has still the little teeny tiny bows on the little birds, on the you know, on the peacocks. And then we have the other 15 millimeter, which is a beautiful floral with an aqua background, and then there's flowers that look like peonies to me almost. I don't know, I am not a super huge, that could be roses or peonies, or actually I know the name of that flower. I think I have it in my garden. But again, the yellow, you know, the light gold foiling is just beautiful. This is just a very, very beautiful combination. And then you're getting 2 of the perforated line ones. So these are just super easy for you to use in your planner because you can just you know, they're already pre-cut for you. So if you want to use them in your planner, you can just rip them. Let me show you again. I do this every week, but they are pre-cut. So if you are pulling it apart, now this one is just the beginning, so that's that, but there you go. They'll cut in the perfect size for your Erin Condren. Now you don't have to, if you're not using an Erin Condren, you don't like the size, you can just keep them as is, and you will not tell that there is a perforated line there. But one is a simple bow, and one has this beautiful little hearts and little stars on it. Now if you are you know, if you love 5 millimeter washi tapes, you can choose to get the add-on, which this month will give you 4 of the 5 millimeters. And I just don't even want to, like, can I have a washi tape just like that? It's just so gorgeous. The color combination is just spectacular. I love the little ombre one because I am a fan of the ombre. Then we have the little gold with the little hearts, and then we have another ombre with the little vine. Now let me see if I can show them closer to you. Unfortunately, I don't have a fancy camera. I'm just filming from my phone, so I have to work with my phone. But look how gorgeous that is. The soft pink going to more like intense pink is just too pretty, and that will definitely go on my washi dashboard. And then I want to show you the other ombre one. So this one is kind of like a look more floral design, but it goes with the same basically ombre effect that you have on the 50 millimeters. So, and then you have, of course, the pink, the heart, and then the little hearts, and then the little stars on this peachy kind of color. So these are the 4 that you will get if you get the add-on. But this is it, guys. So let me show everything that is included in this month box. So if you would like to subscribe, it has gone live just very recently, and it will be available until it sells out. And if you are a subscriber, as I mentioned, you will get yours very soon. But I hope that I hope that you will subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at PlanningFancy. I always reply to all DMs. So let me know if you have any question. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.